Hi, I'm Veronica Perez from Cornucopia Foods, and I'm going to show you a pear juice recipe that you can make in your juicer. The ingredients that you will need are pears and apples. Make sure you rinse and wash off your pears and apples completely. Cut them, core them, remove the stems, and cut them small enough so that they fit into the chute of your juicer. Now when you turn on your juicer, it's going to be a little loud. So be considerate of others and don't do this too early in the morning or too late at night as to disturb them. Here we go. That's really good. I'm Veronica Perez for Cornucopia Foods, and that's how you make a pear juice recipe in your juicer.